Hi, Ryan Jeff here from Sync Record. In today's video, we will explore on how we can import the data using the database, going back to Salesforce, and also on how we can use the Excel sheet importing the data to Salesforce to database, going back to Salesforce. So I'm using here the PostgreSQL, and now we would like to add in here the data in the ticketing system or ticket system. And you can see here I have three records in here, or three rows. And then I have also I would like to add a mapping, which is the ticket system or ticket settings. And here I will add a sync to Salesforce because we want to import the data. And then I will add here hourly, 0 minutes. And then I will add here status, category, and priority. And then I'll create a mapping. So now what's going to happen, it will sync to my database that will match the data together. So you can see here it's already done. And then now go back to my PostgreSQL. I would like to refresh this one, and then it will appear my tables now in here. And then I will click all rows, and then you can see here all the data that I have the same from Salesforce. Now I would like to add two rows, and then I will add this one, the created by ID, because Salesforce will read this one and looking for the ID who created this record. So in Salesforce you can find that in the URL. And then I will add here the name. I will just put this is a test Ryan ticket 1, for example. And then I will put 2. And then I will do owner ID, which is, I will use this one. Again, this is the one who created the records. For example, if your admin is the one who creating that record, then you need to get that ID from the URL. And then I will put a new status and pending. And then I will do a category. I would like to put the category email, and then I will do the cannot access. So, and then I will add the priority. I'll put low and high priority. Okay. So imagine you are doing the auditing or adding some data, but you cannot process in Salesforce because you have a lot of informations to fill in, like just copy pasting and everything. You can do this in the PostgreSQL or in your Excel sheet and just import in here. Okay, I think we are done, and then we will add here the connect last stop. We will put pending. This one is default from our sync record, and then the default is sync, which is once you are syncing the data, we use the sync value to process. Now, if you have a pending, it will pick up also the information which is pending. It means you have a pending to process going back to Salesforce. So I'll put here as a pending, and then I will save it. Okay, and let's see if we don't have any error message, that we can align the data. Okay, so here I will sync now, and then seems working fine. So I have here 5 now in the database rows, and now I have a 5 in Salesforce rows. So here you can see that I think we have now 5, and this is the one that we imported, the test Ryan ticket 1 and ticket 2. Okay, so now I would like to add in using Excel sheet on my Postgre again. And here I have the data. I will download, let me refresh this one, and then I'll download the CSV file, Then once I have the CSV file, I'll open the Excel sheet and then go here. And then you can see here I have some other data. What I'm going to do is to delete this information and leave only the header, because I just want to import the new data. So here, for example, I would like to copy paste this all and then put in here. I want to start at 6, 7. So I will put the ID 678. Done, and then remove this one, delete this one, delete this one, and then I have the data in here. I will put here pending, pending, and you can also, because sometimes there's a problem with the Excel sheet regarding the formatting, we can remove some other modified date in here. But let's see if this gonna work. Otherwise, we can remove that one, and we can we would like to change this one. This is test Ryan 6. Then we can do 6 to 9, and then copy paste this one. Test 2, this one, and then I think we have this one. You know what? Let's just leave this one. Let's put a closed, and then let's remove this one, and let's put this one high. Okay, so I think that was it. SFID, we don't need this one, because the SFID will give us owner ID. That's fine. Okay, so let's try to tools, and then import data, and then this is the columns we have, I believe so, and your header, we don't like that one we would like to enable. Let's see. Okay, what is the error? Okay, there's a timestamp. This is the issue of the formatting of the CSV. What I'm going to do is remove all the timestamp, and last modified date, this one, because that one will give informations. So we don't need to correct, but if you want to correct, you just need to align the syntax, because sometimes the syntax is not correct. So I can go here, let's try it again, and then that is done. So we imported how many data? I think that's 4, 5, sorry, 10. Now it's 10. And then we have the data of this one. You can see it's pending. So this one is 5. And then we can run again. And then let's go to our sync record. So let's sync now. Let's see if we're having some issue. Now it's feeding our Salesforce. And now it is the same in Salesforce and the database. So if you visit in here, if I open ticketing system, so these are the data we have. So this is what we added. So we have now 10 records inside the Salesforce from our database. Okay, that was it. And the next video, we will create a simple applications to process this ticketing system, to use that application and to connect to sync record and send back to Salesforce. Okay, and see you on the next video.